Hello, trading is closed on February 24th, 2015. I'm Jeff Tennant. My last call said we had a good shot at having a gap out of yesterday's range. That didn't happen. I said it could fail, and if so, the market would close relatively unchanged. Well, we closed up 5.82, which is 0.28%. It's kind of tough to give myself a grade on that one. If you feel 0.28% is not close to unchanged, then the call's wrong. Let's look at today's stuff. Early on, mejt said this rally was false. It said the move wouldn't start and stay with us until this time had passed and this price had printed. In the afternoon, it said ultimately higher prices would print. They did. It said the move was false, would retrace to this line, a good entry point after this time. No new signals, but we still have the ultimate signal of 2103.10. It hasn't failed because there's no time limit, but usually you don't have to wait too long. Since the system was devised in the summer of 2002, I have close to 2,000 ultimate signals, ultimate targets, and there are only 3 others which haven't printed. This could be the 4th one, and it might print years from now, you never know, but arguing against this price is, in my opinion, a low odds bet. Well, without mejt, what else do we have? This is 6 days in a row where prices start out low and rally all day. In spite of this favorable pattern, 6 days in a row, the market's up less than 1% over that period of time. It also is not particularly strong that despite rallying all day, the close was under the midday high. Usually when that happens, we either have a gap over the day's high or lower prices print at some time. And by lower, I just don't mean a tick or two. Well, today gave us bars 13 on a half-day chart, bars 13 of a combo cell, and a sequential cell. These are not pinpoint indicators. It just indicates the area of a top, and a number of them have failed recently. And also, similarly, the 2103.10 target isn't a pinpoint indicator. It doesn't mean we have to drop tomorrow. But there are a number of things indicating that this rally hasn't gone really far enough to show it's for keeps, and that a pullback at least to this level should start pretty soon. One caveat is if we gap up strongly over today's high and hold it, that would kill the call. But anything other than that, I'm looking for a pullback at least to this level, and that's today's call.